Builds like this can move from complex to complicated in the click of a brick.
This set was very calming. It wasn't particularly difficult or challenging, but it had just enough detail in it to really make me feel like I was doing something, achieving something, and I felt really calm and a sense of anticipation to see what the final set was really going to look like.
For calm, I'm giving this set a score of 7 Zen Figs.
In terms of the focus, it kept me focused. I didn't even put music on the background. I just laser focused on building this. I found it very easy to pull me in and quiet my mind and keep me there.
And for focus, I'm giving this set a score of 7 Zen Figs.
Fantasy spent all of their design time on the externals, and you can see it. It's got detail, it's got some style to it, and yeah, it's got that whole retro thing going on. And what's really nice is this too works. Put it in, and out comes a prize. Now in terms of joy, yeah, I really enjoyed building this set.
Joy is getting a solid 7 Zen Figs, which brings us to a total of 21 straight 7s across the board.
So the figures, the minifigures, the pieces that came with this set were really cheap looking, and honestly, they weren't a prize. I didn't even bother opening the bag once I saw it. What I did do is put in some kisses. So now when my grandson comes over, he runs to this machine, puts in a coin, and pulls out a Hershey's Kiss. If you want a retro-looking gumball machine on your shelf, I highly recommend the Pantasy model with chocolate.